We never venture into the wilderness without at least a basic first aid kit. A small selection of supplies and some know-how will help you manage injuries or illnesses that crop up on the trail with confidence, so you can go further and stay out longer. There are many products available to choose first aid kits for hiking, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best first aid kits for hiking from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. First Aid Only 298-piece all-purpose. Unlike the backpacker, the Essentials kit unfolds like a book. You slide its components in and out of open plastic compartments. These compartments have no labels, and because they're open, the items inside can move around, making it hard for you to know what's where. As for the quality, in our comparisons we noticed that First Aid Only's offerings weren't as good as Adventure Medical's. The scissors were smaller and didn't cut fabric as easily. Although this kit had 2 rolls of paper tape, they weren't as sticky or durable as the fabric medical tape that came in Adventure Medical's kits. This kit's plastic tweezers were clumsier to hold and control than Adventure Medical's metal forceps. Finally, although the Essentials kit lacks an equivalent to the Wilderness First Aid booklet that comes with the backpacker kit, it does have a basic first aid handout with refreshers from the Red Cross for reference. Number 2. Surviveware Comprehensive Premium First Aid Kit Emergency Medical Kit for Trucks. Weight, 1 pound. 1.4 ounces. Highlight inclusions: CPR mask, wound closure strips, space blanket, shears, tweezers, triangular bandage, whistle, small bags for personal meds, basic first aid guide. Pros: comprehensive, very well organized, durable carrying case. Cons: a bit heavy and bulky, slightly expensive, no meds included. Bottom line, the Surviveware Small Kit is one of the most organized first aid kits we've seen, which makes finding what you need quick and easy in an emergency. The kit contains all the usual first aid items like band-aids and gauze, plus some less common upgrades like an elastic wrap, medical shears, and a CPR mask. While it doesn't come stocked with medications, we appreciate that it does include small bags to add your own, which we often do anyway. The kit as a whole is pretty heavy, bulky for backpacking, but it's a great size for camping. But you could easily pare it down a bit to save weight by removing items you don't expect to use. Overall, we're really impressed with the quality of the Surviveware Small Kit, and it's a great building block for anyone starting from scratch. Number 3. Mini First Aid Kit, 110 pieces Small First Aid Kit. Weight, 9 ounces. Highlight inclusions: CPR mask, space blanket, triangular bandage, shears, tweezers, saline solution, tourniquet, brief first aid guide. Pros: affordable, lightweight, large quantities of some supplies. Cons: a bit bulkier than some, lacks organization, doesn't include meds. Bottom line, the General Medi-Mini is an incredibly affordable way to get you started on building your own personalized kit for the trail. It includes many of the basics you'll need and some less commonly seen items that you can pick and choose from. We recommend paring down the quantities of some supplies to reduce the weight and make room for additions like medications and your preferred athletic tape. If you take only what you need for the length of your trip, you'll have plenty of extras to refill your kit when you get home. While you'll have to spend a little more money to stock the General Medi-Mini with commonly used medications, you'll be hard-pressed to find such an array of first aid kit supplies for less money. Number 4. Adventure Medical Kits Ultralight and Watertight. Weight, 8 ounces. Highlight inclusions: elastic bandage, duct tape, benzoin tincture, moleskin, butterfly bandages, tick, splinter remover. Pros: lightweight, compact, affordable, weather-resistant case. Cons: lacks organization. Zippered case isn't actually waterproof without resealable bag inside. Bottom line, the Adventure Medical Kits Ultralight, Watertight .7 is one of the most popular first aid kits among backpackers because it strikes an excellent balance of preparedness and minimalism. It has all the basics you'd expect and a few items you don't see as often, like a compact roll of duct tape, moleskin for blisters, and an elastic pressure bandage to treat common overuse injuries. The bag doesn't offer much in the way of organization, so you may have to dump the contents to find what you need. That said, the Ultralight, Watertight contains pretty much everything we'd put in a custom DIY kit, but without the expense or work of buying all the supplies individually. It's a great kit to start with and has plenty of room for customization. This kit is also available in bigger and smaller sizes. Number 5. Adventure Medical Kits AMK Mountain Series Hiker Medical Kit. Weight, 7.2 ounces. Highlight inclusions: butterfly bandages, moleskin, tick, splinter remover, shears, wilderness first aid book. Pros: affordable, lightweight, organized. Cons: a bit bulky, small quantities of single-use supplies. Bottom line, if you're looking for a great balance of weight to preparedness, the Adventure Medical Kits Hiker is an excellent choice. It's an awesome value and has a well-curated assortment of supplies in Goldilocks quantities. We love the hangable, roll-out bag with labeled compartments as well. It makes it easy to find what you need and keeps supplies out of the dirt while you work. One unique thing about this kit is that it comes with a handy little first aid guidebook. It's a great inclusion for learning, but you could leave it at home to save weight if you've already studied up on first aid protocol. We recommend the Day Hiker kit to anyone who's willing to carry a few more ounces to be well prepared and neatly organized. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.